See if we can go higher from here. Again, ideally you should enter down here, not up here. You can double your R. We'll see if this is gonna be a solid draw on liquidity. Again, I do think we should be going for pre-stay high. Let's see. Yeah, we should definitely be going for pre-stay high. This is not all-time highs on ES, is this? Oh my gosh, it is. This is all-time highs on ES. No way. That's insane, actually. Looking nice so far. We did break above that, which is good to know. This internal structure. If you go in the 5 seconds, this is internal structure, breaks it upside. But like I said, sweeps do happen. We want this to break above, react, and then go back higher. Not a break above, react, and then go lower, right? Since we're in longs here. If you're trying to go for a 1-to-1, your 1-to-1 is basically at that next high. So for those people that want to go for a 1-to-1 trade, again, if you use aggressive stop loss, this is a 1-to-2, okay? Not bad. I'm not gonna lie, not too bad. 1 hour TP is right there. If you want to TP at 1 hour, my stop is quite big, like I said. I'm gonna move my stop here. This should be able to cover this in case we sweep this, just barely, but should be able to. So you can. This is a 3R trade. Originally, I was thinking we can cover more if price dumps quickly, but price is not doing that right now. It's actually respecting demand, as you can see. So yeah, you can move your stop a little bit higher. You can get a 3R trade. Aggressive stop loss, you get a 4R. So we'll see what happens. For 1-to-1, your 1-to-1 target is very close to getting hit. Actually, 1-to-1 is not even at that high. So 1-to-1 is like right here. That's 1-to-1. Got very close, but didn't hit 1-to-1 yet, just yet. Make sure to vote in the poll, guys. I need some feedback from you guys for the channel. If we do reject here, we could see something like down here and this. If we were to go higher. Okay, that's a mitigation reaction, not a problem. Looking really good though. Look at ES. Look at ES. ES is about to take out the high. NQ still has not. I'm gonna set an alert on ES to see if ES will take out pre-stay high. I think NQ is closer though, based on what I'm seeing here. I'm pretty sure ES is closer. Again, we'll see. Okay, we came back for mitigation there. So we can go for the sweep now. We did take out the sweep. Now see if we can this demand can hold. Because if it can't hold, you can wait for 50% to take a trade. This is an SMT here. I think ES got the high. That's why NQ is reacting so sharply here. Again, I'm still gonna hold this because there's I think only one other setup I would be willing to take if this doesn't hold. Let's see. Yeah, so there's only kind of like one other setup. I'll set an alert there too. Would you recommend Insta funding? I'd never heard of them before. Blue guarding, I don't know what that is. Yes, to take out the high. So NQ is weaker. Is it weaker? Kind of hard to tell. Can't really tell which one's stronger. I guess if you took it to set up on ES, you would have hit TP. Yeah. You would have hit TP on ES if you took it to set up here. Same exact trade too. You would have hit TP on ES. Again, we just did the sweep here. So now I'm looking for us to go higher. If you entered off the sweep, sheesh. 7R stop runner. Instant funding, I don't, in my opinion, don't do instant funding unless you know you're profitable. If you've gotten payouts, sure, go for it. I'm pretty sure it's probably more expensive, right? I've never tried instant funding, but don't do it if you're not profitable yet. Okay, please don't. You're just gonna waste. They do it on purpose to entice unprofitable traders to like spend more money basically on the accounts just to lose them. You're not gonna get to payout. Don't fall for the trap. Looking nice here. You just entered on the sweep. Sheesh. If you just entered on the sweep, you could be done for a day. This is an 8RR setup off the sweep. I'm gonna be honest. This is insane. We got 21 people watching. We only got 5 likes on the stream, yo. Let's get the likes up. Entered halfway up the candle due to internet. Still probably a better price point than I entered at, so. Oh my gosh. Let's go. This is running nicely. We failed the mitigation now. Now, if we can fail this internal high taken out, we should easily be good to go. The only bad part about this trade at the moment is that ES did take out the high and NQ still hasn't. We want to see both. Whenever you're in a trade, you kind of want to see both take out highs at the same time. If one is taken out before the other, that means it could cause the other asset to have a either big retracement, stop you out, or it will just take longer. That's all it is. But like ideally, obviously, you want to be on the asset that hits the TP first. Which, if you took this trade on ES, you're already out of this trade. So again, if you're in this trade, you're out of this trade on ES. It's a winning trade for you. If you're going for prop firms, man, go with reputable ones that pay out. I'd recommend just going with Top Step. They're always reputable. I will say recently I heard some stuff on Twitter about them, but yeah, they should still be paying out. Top Step, I got a payout from them. You can also go with Bonox. I recommend those two right now. But a big majority of mentorship students, or my students, have gotten paid out from Top Step, so that would be like kind of number one. If you want something cheaper, you can go with Bonox because it's cheaper and you can pass in 1 day on Bonox. On Top Step, you have to pass in 2 days with consistency rule as well, which is another bonus thing. On Bonox, there is no consistency rule for passing. Who's in this? Type 1 in the chat if you're still in this trade with me. Type 2 in the chat if you already TP'd on this trade for the 1RR. At this point, this should just be a winning trade no matter what. You can move your stop loss honestly here on this trade to even here. You could also TP if you just want to. Get a quick little buck out day. You can TP at this high here if you want. That's a potential TP. You just joined the stream, Tony, so missed the trade setup. Yeah, I also missed another setup earlier too. Right here, this is the money maker right here, because this setup went like 6 risk reward. This setup here is only about 3, so not as much money, but yeah, missed the bangers setup earlier myself. 1, nice. Again, you guys want to TP, there's plenty of places to TP. If you're new to the channel, don't know how I trade, and you probably should know how I trade. I trade going for big expansion targets. So you will see I'm going for bigger TPs. I'm going for pre-stay high here. ES is farther from pre-stay high. See, this is one good thing. NQ is closer to pre-stay high than ES. So that's a good thing. It's just, it took out this high somehow like a bit later, but that's fine. I don't even need to mark this. Look at the indicator doing its job today. Break a structure indicator, break a structure, perfect. Today indicator's been cooking. Break a structure here too. It's telling you upside. Look at the daily bias or indicator as well. Bullish. See when we get this 3-hour trade on stream. You're on a conference call? Ah, got you. Glad you made it though. Or made it to stream at least. We're gonna just monitor this, but again, I'm thinking we hit this, man. Dude, what is our win rate on stream, bro? It's gotta be insane. I have a higher win rate on stream, I think, than my own trading. Like off stream. Okay, there's a nice little TP if you want to go TP there. Just broke above. I'm gonna hold for pre-stay high. I think this is one of those days, like I said, we've had multiple of these days recently. Price keeps going higher. If you're in the course, by the way, I did send out a poll in the Discord if you want to check out the private trading chat and vote in the poll and let me know your thoughts. Maybe I should stream more. See, the thing is, streaming is tiring, man. It's tiring, bro. If you stream before, you know that it's not easy to keep your energy levels up for 4 to 6 hours. Like I had a 8-hour stream before, I'm pretty sure. It was, yeah. I was like dead at the end. Yeah, what was it? Six-hour stream. Love your streams, thank you. Appreciate it. If you guys like the streams, you support the channel for free by just leaving a like on the streams. I think it probably helps boost the streams to YouTube algorithm. So if you guys want me to continue streaming, just show some support completely for free. Just leave a like on the stream. If you want to support financially, I guess, while also getting benefit for your own, you can use my code JTrades at Bullnox. I have an affiliate code with them. Or check out FX Replay. They also do, it's a backtesting software that I used personally when I was trying to become profitable, and it helped me a lot when it came to becoming a consistent profitable trader. So I would really recommend you also check them out as well. Again, I'd only support things I truly have fully confidence in. That's why you guys don't see me with like 50 affiliate links at 50 different prop firms. I try to be very specific on the companies I do promote. I think I have a link tree even in the description. Yeah, I do. If you want to check out all my links, I have an Instagram, I have a Twitter if you guys want to follow. Let me see. Yeah, post a lot of short form content on there and tweets, stuff like that if you guys want to check it out. But don't expect trading to be easy, man. I've been doing this for several years now. I'm on like year 4 now trading, so don't expect this to be an easy game. But once you truly become profitable, do all the hard work and put in the work, this becomes an easy income. Because, dude, think about it. I'm just sitting at my computer every day, clicking buttons. Sometimes, some days I'm not even at my, like, not even sitting here, if that makes sense. I'm doing other stuff while in a trade. You can do push-ups while you're in a trade. You can go to the gym, work out while you're in a trade. There's so many things you can do. There's so much flexibility in trading. There's nothing else like it. I honestly don't know what I would have done career-wise if it wasn't for trading. Like, don't know what I would be doing right now. So, it's a great, great career. Put in the work, know exactly what to trade, or sorry, how to trade. Know exactly what you're doing, learn the right content, and you will go far with trading. I promise you. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. Yes is weaker than NQ. There you go. Gonna move to break even, okay, on my setup here. Once you take out that high. There's literally gonna be no reason that we do this. Okay, we should easily just boom. Hit a quick little TP. 24 people watching, nice. Patience does pay off. If we can hit this. Gonna move to break even soon. Alright guys, I'm moving to break even here. If you want a TP here, you can. We just broke above that high. SMT with ES, but I think ES should go for the high too. If that's good. Clap it up, fellas, for those that just hit TP on a stream. If you don't want to be greedy like me, just TP now. You're up almost 3R anyway here. If you want to hold, let's see this TP, man. We're clapping these pods. We're clapping the market's cheeks right now. Past week, we've been clapping. Let's see if we can hit 30 likes on a stream. Come on, if we hit TP, we gotta hit 30 likes, y'all. We gotta hit 30 likes for a stream. Once I hit this TP, I'm gonna change the title. I always change the titles to like my P&L, like risk reward wise for each stream. So you guys can check which streams are red. I do have red streams, but they're very rare. Like I would say 80 to 90% of my days are green. How long have we been streaming for today? 2 hours, okay. I might stay on for like an extra, maybe max 1 more hour. And we'll see if we can find anything else. But this is the setup today. Oh, okay, we took out the high on ES. Again, you can definitely close this trade here if you want. I'm gonna count this as a winner because there's no way we don't hit pre-stay high here. What entry did you take for this trade? IFG, Mark? What's up, Mark? No, I did not. I took my OB limit continuation model. I entered right here, you see. Right here is my entry point here. Stop loss was around here. But this is basically, I should have waited for a stop hunter because you know from the course, that's what I use. If I use a stop hunter, I would have made so much more money today. If I use stop hunter, that's 8 times your risk or 8 times the risk that you make, but only 3R here. So yeah, if you waited for a stop hunter, even better. But I just had a limit order here at the OB for continuation higher. Pretty straightforward today. Trading with the trend. Like the left here, these highs are weak. We're bullish here. So I'm just trading with this current trend on the right, going for a higher target. Now, don't want us stalling above this high. Originally, I was kind of expecting us to break above this high and just push with a big candle. After all this consolidation, that's what I was really anticipating, to be honest. But I think we'll hold here. If you want to close here, if it's a very small risk reward difference, close out your trade here. Oh my gosh, that was a big candle. There we go. That was a spike. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? TP hit. Let's go. 3R in the building. See. Yep, there we go. Let's go, fellas. You got 4.7R, nice. The people that use stop hunter, you might have got 8RR out of this trade. There we go, boys. 3R, there we go. Trade took a long time. This trade was literally the whole entire stream today. But let's go.
I'm talking about day, trading the freedom it provides, money, location, time, free.